Well, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another Misadventures with Day Day. Today we are going to be trying to work on some gravel in the driveway. We put this stuff down probably 7 years ago, and yeah, we've been driving so much stuff over it and everything like that. We picked a really good day to do it. It's probably about 105 out heat index right now, but we went and borrowed a land plane because we've got to do some fixing on it. A little fabrication in the situation. But anyway, we're going to get this thing unloaded, get the tractor over here and get some chains. And we've already unhooked the finish mower off the back of it, so now we're going to go do that. So, y'all stick around, comment, like, subscribe. Misadventures with Day Day. It's a hot one. See y'all in a little bit. Alright, well, you can see we're working in the shade today. It's crazy out. It's 99 degrees with a heat index of 110. I got this when I got my tractor, this Land Pride Quick Connect. So we went to the Tractor Supply and got some pins. Yeah, they were the wrong size. So I went in and went through my bolt bin and I found some bolts that are still not the right size, but I don't feel like driving all the way back to New Albany to get another pair, so we just went ahead with it and tightened it down, and away we go. So now we're fixing to go over and pick up the blade. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I still have not blade anything on the driveway. So I got all these weeds. I have sprayed and sprayed, at least sprayed $100 worth of Roundup, and they keep coming back. I don't know what these things are. I think they're Roundup resistant now, but anyway, this blade's fixing to do some damage on them. So, yep, we'll be back here shortly, and once I get everything hooked up. But hey guys, if y'all are out, I'm not sponsored by them or not, but I don't know, y'all working out in the heat. Element, hey, if you'd like to, we can do it, but Element sugar-free water things, they work great. So, yep, and she's hung up in the fence again, I think. I don't know, we'll see. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll be back shortly.
2 hours later.
Alright, well, here's the aftermath. We pretty much got a lot of that. I still got to do that over there. Going into the shop. We got a lot of this. Just got to be feathered out. Right now I need to move the Jeep so I can do under the thing. But it brought the gravel back up. Cut all these weeds off. Got that all mounted. Tractor's running good. Let's go get the Jeep. I'm gonna set y'all right here. right, so now we can do the under the carport and level it all out. But y'all just hang out for a little while. There we go. Driveway finished. All the way to the road. That land planer works really well. It even pulled up a lot of weeds. So now it's just got to be driven on and kind of compacted again, and we'll go from there. But appreciate y'all watching. Remember, comment, like, subscribe. Misadventures with Day Day. For those that don't know, I've been off for 4 months. I had shoulder surgery. And Monday I get to go back. This is filmed on a Saturday, the 15th. So, yep, I get to go back to work now. I got an early retirement package. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Remember, check it out. Yeah, there's some high spots I got to fix, but anyway, we'll see y'all later. Remember, you can do all things through Christ. Ephesians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ. Christ is who strengthens me. We'll see y'all later. Bye. That might be wrong too, but I don't know.